Hi guys, welcome back to Blush and Bling. This is me Nayan and hope you guys are doing great. This video is all about Wow hair care products review, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys an honest review of 6 products which I have right now over here. So these are the 6 products that I'm gonna be reviewing. So we have the red onion black seed oil and shampoo and conditioner. We have the argan oil hair conditioner. We have the Wow aloe vera gel and also the onion hair mask. So basically I have the full kit over here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Nayan. I make videos related to beauty, skincare, fashion, makeup, travel vlogs, basically everything entertaining. So do subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for more updates from Blush and Bling. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first I'm going to be talking about my favorite product from the Wow range. So this is the Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel. It has 99% pure aloe vera gel that it claims, and it is also cruelty free and 100% vegan, which is a great thing. I have tried many aloe vera gels. I have also tried it using from the plant itself. Sometimes it gets very like little too much to do, so I always prefer using a bottle. Now this one I bought it newly just to review it with you guys, because I have used this bottle once in the like last month I think, and it got over, and since then I'm not doing any hair care or skincare using aloe vera. Now I wanted to do a full review of the Wow products, so I thought why not buy another tube and show it to you guys. So this bottle contains 150 ml of the product and it's retailed for rupees 299, which I got for some discount also. Where I got it from Nykaa, by the way. You can get it from Wow store also, or on their website. Best thing about this aloe vera gel is this is transparent. So I'll just show you. If you can see, most of the aloe vera gels that we see, even the Patanjali ones, they are not transparent and they are in green color. Now aloe vera gel is not in green color and it's always transparent and fragrance free. Now this is also fragrance free. I usually use aloe vera gel for my hair mask and use it as a night gel also. I've also prepared another video for you guys where I'm doing a proper hair mask using aloe vera gel. So maybe that video will be out next week, so do stay tuned. The other product reviews here and there I keep doing on my Instagram, so do follow me over there. The link or the handle name will be somewhere here. There are many benefits out of this one bottle. You can use it for skincare, hair care and any other cuts, scars, marks, anything. So this comes very handy basically. I love this product. It is very genuine. Moving on to my next product, which is Wow shampoo. Now this is the red onion black seed oil shampoo, quite a big name. So in my Amazon haul video, you guys have seen that I got this bottle. This is a smaller bottle. Once I started using it, I felt a little bit of difference. Actually, my hair was looking much more voluminous. I don't know if that is also one of the features present for this one, but I was also getting a good deal from the Wow website. So I got the shampoo, conditioner and the hair oil in 999 rupees. So I thought, why not? I'm anyway liking the shampoo, so why not give it a try for the hair oil and the conditioner as well. Now this shampoo, honestly, if I say, it is making my hair look voluminous, very soft. It's not giving that much shine as it promises, but it is doing a very decent job and I can recommend you guys using this, buying this. It is helping my hair to soften a little bit, because my hair is little better than earlier. It's a little softer, and restoring shine, I'm not very sure, because this was one factor that I was very sure that yes, it will give me some shine, but I'm kind of disappointed at that point. But health strengthening, yes, it has. I think I have not seen any hair fall problems since past 2.5 months since I've started using this one. So one drawback of this shampoo is it makes your hair a little dry at first. So the first month that I was using it, I was struggling a lot, but since I've seen many reviews and many YouTubers talk about this, that it will first make the hair very dry. It's just healing from within, as I've told you in my previous videos as well. So check those hair care videos and tips. I was struggling a lot for the first month because it was making my hair very dry. But then I thought I'll just continue for a few more days or few more weeks and then see the result, and now I'm quite liking it. I would suggest if you're using the shampoo, you should use a very good conditioner, which is the conditioner for the same shampoo. It is again the Red Onion Black Seed Oil conditioner. This conditioner has very good properties, same like the shampoo, and it is like white in color, it is thick, it is like medium consistency, everything is proper. So I would suggest if you're using this shampoo, you should also use this conditioner with it. And this is also 300 ml, these two were 300 ml. Another drawback of this shampoo is it doesn't lather so much, it doesn't create that much of foam on your hair, so it's little difficult if you've oiled it too well. So if you're a person who likes to like really foam up your hair while washing it, you have to work on it. You have to use a lot of product if you want that kind of foam on your hair. It's a decent buy, it's not very great, like it's not the best shampoo I've ever used or something like that, but with this range and these qualities, like it's cruelty free, I would say it's a very good buy. Next, also the same review for the conditioner. Conditioner is quite decent and it works really well for my hair, and I have had dry ends problem, and especially in this lockdown I'm not able to trim my hair, so this conditioner has really managed my frizzy hair to look quite manageable. So I would say a thumbs up for this conditioner. Now here I'm going to be talking about another conditioner as well. This is the Moroccan Argan Oil conditioner. Now this one I rate a little more than that one because this has my favorite ingredient, that is argan oil, and argan oil is basically used as serum for face, for hair, and it has a part of argan oil. As you can see, I've like literally finished this bottle and I love it so much. It's very thick and white in consistency. It's amazing. I think it smells very good. It smells like some vanilla fruity smell, and all the fragrance in all the products actually is very good. It's mild, it's not very strong, so which is very good. So the next product is their hair oil. This is the onion black seed hair oil, and this hair oil is the best product in all the three, the shampoo, conditioner and hair oil. I would choose this one to continue with. This is not giving any hair fall. This is not having very strong fragrance. It is not sticky, and best part is the ingredients. Now the ingredients have castor oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, coconut oil. Basically it's a mixture of all the good ingredients that are required for our hair. So I would always suggest to go and look for the ingredients before you purchase any product. And for this hair oil has done wonders, and this is like only 200 ml and its actual cost is 600 rupees, but I got it in a major discount. The last product I'm going to be talking to you about is the hair mask. Now this hair mask is a small tube that I have here. This is only 25 ml and I've got it as a free package from Nykaa, but I've already used this hair mask before and it came in a big tub, and after that I was trying to switch to Mamaearth because I want to try their products also. So I tried their sample products and I didn't quite like it. But so I decided I'll go back to this one, and when I saw the sample package of this one available on Nykaa, then I thought like why not do a review of this one as well. This will make your hair look softer and shinier. So whatever complaint we have with the shampoo, I think it will be done via this one, and I have not used it yet. This tube is new and I bought it like few days back. I've also put it in my Insta story, so do check that out and follow me there. So this hair mask is basically to repair your damaged hair. So I usually apply it on the lengths of my hair. It is softening my hair and making it a little more shinier, which is a very good thing. So I would highly recommend this one. And especially if you're going with the all Red Onion hair care range, I would suggest use all of their products at once and try it like for good 2 to 3 months, and then you can see the result, because I'm also using it since like last 2.5 months, and I can see the difference. Yeah, there is a lot of difference, and I'm just happy that I'm using a cruelty free and a sulfate free product. So that is a big plus for Wow. So these are the 6 products that I reviewed with you guys. So I've reviewed all the products now, and let me know in the comment section below which product you want a detailed review on. So do try it out for more than a month and then only make up your mind whether to use it or not. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below which product is your favorite and what you want to see on my channel next. So do share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel if you're new. So till then, bye bye.